Hi guys, here we've got OPPO A16S and let me show you how to add the fingerprint. So at first, open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here you will notice fingerprint. Enter unlock pattern if you have one, and if you don't have it, you will have to provide a new one, as it will be the backup to your fingerprint. And now click on add a fingerprint. So the sensor is located on the power button right here. So all you have to do is to tap on it, and here you can notice when it's fully added. So just patiently wait till it's done and keep lifting your finger up and down to add fingerprint fully. And tap on done. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Also, you can use this backup pattern. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.